Alright folks, this is Oliver over at realizeinternetmarketing.com, and what I'm doing today is just a quick demo, not really a tutorial, but a quick demo on what you can use and do with Firebug. And what Firebug is Firebug is an extension for the internet browser Firefox. I believe it does also work with Chrome, probably not with Internet Explorer, but Firefox is the browser that I prefer anyway, so that's the demo I'm going to be doing. And the reason I'm showing it is because it's very useful when you're shopping for a website or you're doing research against your competition to be able to access their coding and actually alter it, or alter the way that you look at it. And this can be useful for, say, you're looking at WordPress themes, and you like the layout, you even like the color scheme, and you want to see what your existing logo would look like in it. But you don't want to pay for the theme or download the theme before you alter that. You want to just go to the demo site for that theme, and then you can alter and throw your logo in there, or even change the colors within your browser without actually changing or having access to the site itself. Also, you can check what their title tags are for, meta descriptions, what theme it is on, possibly who made it, and a lot of good info. So it's really good when you're out there trying to make some decisions on purchasing a new design or starting another SEO campaign. So first off, I'm going to have Firefox as my browser. It's going to be on Google. Go to Firebug. Now you can just select this one here, but I'm going to show you what it's like if you did the search, just in case. And it's going to be the first result. Make sure it says getfirebug.com. No .nets, no .orgs, no getfirebug misspelled, and just click on the main link. And for whatever browser you have, if it's compatible, it's going to give you the option to install it. And then it's going to even give you the recommended. See, it's reading that I have Firefox 6, and it's giving me the newest update, 1.8.3, which is the newest current update. And all you have to do is click right on here, follow the prompts. It's a super simple setup. And then what you'll have to do after it's installed is just restart your Firefox browser. So let's pretend that we just installed it. And I'm back on Google. This is a nice simple site, so I kind of wanted to show you me switching out the Google logo, because it's a little easier to pay attention to what I'm doing. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Inspect Element. Now this window is going to open up, and it's going to give me a couple of options. What we're looking for here is the highlighted portion of the HTML that is already highlighted for us. And we want to look for the source code, which is the SRC. That's always going to be for an image. That's a link. We're just going to click on that. But first, I'm going to get my path to my image. And this is the Realize Internet Marketing logo. And I have the path here. And all the path is just, where the image is hosted within your website. Copy that. Back to Google. Firebug stayed open for me. I'm going to find that source path for the logo, click on it, hit Control-V to paste it in, and you don't even have to hit Enter. It'll just automatically replace that Google logo with the Realize Internet Marketing logo. And again, we're right on Google. Pretty cool. You can imagine if you like somebody's template, or you like somebody's layout, or you just want to see sizing, and you don't have access to the back end of a theme or design because you haven't purchased it yet. This is a really neat tool to be able to get in there and start pretty much shopping around and doing demos on your own. Now let's do it with the website. Not so simple. Let's close this. Fox News. Now I don't watch news much, but this is a website that my logo fits into when I do it, and it doesn't look too bad. Again, I'm going to right-click, scroll down, click on Inspect Element, and that's going to bring up this window on the bottom. It's already going to have highlighted whatever I right-click to get onto Inspect Element for you. And again, look for the source code, that SRC. Just click there. I'm going to hit Control-V because I already have that path to my logo saved. And again, don't even have to hit Enter. And now FoxNews.com has the Realize Internet Marketing logo. Now what you can also do is say I like this menu here. And I got my logo in there, but maybe I want to darken it up a little bit because it doesn't go too well with my logo. I'm going to click here, which is going to allow you to kind of do an open Inspect Element, where you'll click here, that will be depressed now, and the next thing you click on, it'll automatically highlight the code down here for you. Not if I reset the page by mistake. And we can still do the same example. Right click here, but then we're going to be looking over here for the CSS. We can see the background. It's got a linear gradient. That's what gives it its little design here, that little shadowing, which is called the gradient. Just click on there, and then you're going to have to use the arrow key to move over. It's a little bit of a pain, but it works. Instead of making it darker, let's make it a little lighter so it'll stand out more. So I'm just going to change this to white. And we've got a drastically different logo. Drastically different menu. Let me switch out the logo to see what it looks like all together. Just going to do this real quick. And that's a much different Fox News for you. Much different. Now, another thing that you can use to get the title tags, find out a specific theme a website's built on, or anything of that nature, is by using just a view page source feature within the Firefox browser. Let's just do a search for WordPress HVAC Boston. Alright, so we've got marcosweb.com, hvacboston.org. Looks like they're built on a WordPress theme. And we can go in here, right click, scroll down, and go to View Page Source, and that'll bring up a separate page that you can download, save, print, and it'll have all the source code for that web page. And it will give you the theme that it's on. It'll give you the links that are going into it. So here we've got content for thumbs. It's got the source code for the initial links in the script. The title tags. Got your jQuery functions. And then it really just, it goes into deep detail about everything regarding the site. Maybe what type of contact form he's using. So if you want to do some research on your competition or really try to do something on your own, this is a great way to do it. And again, you can download this, print it, whatever. Again, this is Oliver from RealizeInternetMarketing.com. I also have more tutorials hosted on YouTube.com/RealizeMarketing. Also, feel free to check us out on Twitter and Facebook. There's access to both on the website and YouTube. Anything else you guys need me to do demos or tutorials on, please just leave it in the comments. And also, if you prefer a full screen version, not this panning, so you can get a closer look, let me know. I will make other versions if that's what everybody wants. Again, it's Oliver from RealizeInternetMarketing.com. Have a great day.